Hello, my name is Douglas Kim, CEO of Infinite Healthcare. Today, I'd like to talk about enterprise imaging, adoption strategy, and planning. There are many keywords that are popular sometimes. These days, COVID-19 and vaccine seems to be the hottest keywords in the medical industry. About 20 years have passed since PACS was first introduced in Korean hospitals. Facilities with the largest data accumulated over the years are now over petabytes. This is the classification of patient-centered data. This is also difficult for radiologists to know which body part it is only with an MRI image shown on the left. Even in the case of multidisciplinary care, if the result of the fragmented examinations of multiple departments, there is a system that I would like to highlight specifically for this. When pathology becomes digital, you can prevent loss or damage of specimens. Let's briefly look over the main functions of digital pathology solution. Currently, EMR and PACS are the main information foundation in hospitals.